Welcome to Shubhadeep's Travel Diary. On last episode, you have seen the journey from Bangalore to Chikmagalur. Today I am going to show you videos on different tourist points of Chikmagalur. On the way, can see lake and Vivekananda statue in front of Fort Hill Range. First we will do breakfast and then we'll go to Yagachi Dam. This is Hotel Mayura, pure veg restaurant, and it is hills. You can see the beautiful statue. This is Siri Cafe. You can enjoy tea, coffee and snacks over there. We are going to Mulangiri, which is highest peak of Karnataka, and it's in the range of Baba Budhangiri hill range of height 1930 meters. This road are really narrow and full of traffic. I would suggest not to come in Chikmagalur on long weekend. We are losing most of the time in traffic. Oh, after narrow road, it is totally mud road and very simply. It's very difficult to go. This is Mulangiri hilltop and we need to climb stairs from here. It's quite far and maybe thousands of stairs. You can see multiple shops are here for tea, coffee and other snacks. Now we have started walking and my sister is doing great. She is just 4 years, so it could be difficult for her. Really nice flower. Wow, we had got a little poor puppy. My sister is enjoying with it. You can see the full video with Puppy Naughty Kid Show. There has a temple on the top of Mulangiri, Lord Ganesh, Nandi and other god. This is full range of Mulangiri or Baba Budhangiri, and it is really great. Just few minutes ago, it was clear, but now clouds are coming. Have you seen it? These clouds are coming from right and wind from left, and they are marching at middle and goes up. Really nice. Okay, Mulangiri is over. And now going to next to Jerry Falls. This is 12th year to bloom Lilkurinji, and you can see the flower everywhere, especially near Jerry Falls. I found Nilkurinji in Chikmagalur, Coorg and Ooty. See the full video on flower on another episode. Link given in description. This is Jerry Falls and people are enjoying in the water. Okay, next I shall go to next place. We don't have much time. It is already afternoon. We are going towards Marikadhara, and surrounding hills are so good to see. Everywhere greenery and road condition is better. I have stopped in a place and from here can see entire hill range. It's so beautiful. Sun is going to set and I shall enjoy sunset from here. So now sun has set and whole sky is red. We will return to Chikmagalur city and will do dinner. If you visit Chikmagalur, I would suggest must visit Hotel Taj for dinner. This was Chikmagalur trip. Due to traffic and time, can't visit all the places. If you want to visit everywhere, must plan for 2 days. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Bye bye and take care.